Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can view like the previews of blueprints on Heartopia. So as you can see, there's a blueprint here. For instance, you don't know what the furniture is going to look like, select the shopping cart icon first, and then there's this like zoom button here, and then you're able to see what you'll get from purchasing it. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!